Hey everybody, it's your old pal Billy Blue Gloves here, also known as Drawn to You and various other nicknames and aliases. And today, at long last, finally, we are drawing the elusive Hynorx. Alright, the elusive Hynorx. This is, I guess you'd call him a cryptoid. And this one is by special request, the Hynorx.
Subscribe and share. Like, subscribe.
subscribe, and share. Like, subscribe, and share. And leave a comment. Like, subscribe, and share. Like, subscribe, and share. Like, subscribe, and share. I need you. Like, subscribe, and share. I need you. Like, subscribe, and share. You want just like, subscribe, and share. I need you. Like, subscribe, and share. There's a thing that subscribe and share. I really want you to like, subscribe and share. I need you to share. There's a thing that subscribe and share. I really want you to like, subscribe and share. I really want you to share. There's a thing that subscribe and share. There's a thing that subscribe and share. Like, subscribe, and share. Well, alas and alack, we are coming up to the end of another video. Just putting some finishing touches on here, and then after the video I went back and added some little white highlights here. There's our final product. I had a good time with this one, Internet. I hope you did too. And until next time, I'm drawn to you.